Hi, it's Billy for Ask a Mechanic, and the question of the day is... Hi Billy, how can I quickly check out my tires to know if they're doing okay? What we need to do is, we need to have two tools, a tire pressure gauge and a tire depth gauge. You can pick these up anywhere in any store that sells automotive supplies. First thing we'll do is check our tire depth and our tread to see if we still have any tread available. Take the gauge, push it all the way down, bring it to the tire, right in the middle tread, push it all the way down to get a proper measurement. And we see in this case, I'm about 6 to 7/32, about 5 millimeters. In this case, the tires are good because a tire should be replaced at 3/32 or approximately 2.5 millimeters. If you do not have a gauge, another easy quick way to check is, if you notice right here, there are little bumps in the tire inside the inner part. When the tread reaches this bump, that little bump there, that means the tire is no longer good, it needs to be replaced. And the other thing we can do is check the air pressure with our tire pressure gauge. We unscrew the valve cap from the tire valve, take the pressure gauge, push it on, and check our reading. In this case, it's approximately 33 pounds per square inch. It's almost within specifications. You need to do is check your owner's manual, or inside the door jamb, the left front door, there's a sticker indicating the proper tire inflation. That's a quick way to check the PSI, or how much air you should have in your tire.